Paella Marinera. Ingredients: 1 kilo, seasoned yellow rice, 1/2 kilo, mussels, Tahong, 1/4 kilo, fresh squid, cleaned, 1/4 kilo, cooked clams, 5 pieces, crabs, cleaned, 1/4 kilo, shrimp, cleaned. 43 ounces, tomato sauce, 3/4 cup, pimiento, sliced, 2 pieces, onions, diced, 12 pieces, garlic, minced, 5 cups, water, 1/4 cup, olive oil, salt and ground black pepper, to taste, Spanish saffron, a little bit hint of Tabasco sauce. Cooking procedure: combine seasoned yellow rice, water, and soak for 3 to 4 hours. Heat a large pan. Then, pour in olive oil. When the oil is hot, saute the garlic and onions. Then put in the mussels, crabs, shrimps, clams, squid, Tabasco sauce, salt, and ground black pepper. Cover the pan. Cook. And wait the juices come out. Add tomato sauce. Then cover the pan, stir, simmer for 5 to 6 minutes. Transfer the cooked seafoods on a plate, with the remaining juices and tomato sauce on the pan. Put in the rice soaked in water and stir well. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add the Spanish saffron. Then gently stir. Cover the pan and continue cooking in low heat until the rice are done. Top the cooked yellow rice with pimiento. Then, arrange the cooked seafoods over it. Thank you for watching. Baked Tahong. Ingredients: 1 kilo, mussels, Tahong, cleaned, 1/4 cup, butter, soft.